Greetings from Phire Academy. This is your daily dose of current affairs and general knowledge from Phire. 10 July 2019. Operation Millap. The Delhi police rescued 333 children from the capital city under Operation Millap. Launched in 2014, Haryana launches Meri Fosal Mera Bayora portal for framers. AIM will help framers by availing the benefits of several government schemes directly after uploading their craft related details. Buyback tax budget 2019 to tax buyback of shares by companies at 20%. Currently, buyback tax applicable only for unlisted companies. Indian Army to buy American house outeaser ammo for long-range acute strikes. It can strike targets more than 50 kilometers. Palki procession. Every year, around 10 lakh pilgrims or Warkaris across Maharashtra join the Palki procession from Alandi and Dehu to Pandharpur. SEBI gets teeth to probe new age cases. Finance Bill 2019 give power to SEBI to act against entities that tamper or destroy electronic database or fail to furnish information when sought by the capital market regulators. The bill has introduced section 15HAAA in SEBI Act about SEBI. It is the regulator for the securities market in India, established in 1988, given statutory powers in 1992. Odisha government implement the Centre's Witness Protection Scheme, aimed to provide security to witnesses facing threat during the course of a legal battle. 8. DRDO carries out 3 successful NAC missile tests in one day in Pokhran. NAC missile range 3 to 7 kilometers, 3rd generation. Fire and forgot anti-tank guided missile developed under integrated guided missile developed program. Thank you. For a free download of daily current affairs and general knowledge, please visit www.phire.in. Please call 70922 33321 for any clarification. This is Lokeshwari signing off for Phire. For daily updates, please subscribe our YouTube channel by clicking on bell button at right side of this video.